What's up, Home Slice? Lucas here. Today I have 25 ways to learn how to do a front flip. These 25 different unique hacks allow you to teach yourself how to do a front flip without a gym. Pay attention, by the end of this video, you'll be front flipping. But you gotta focus. Number 1, starting off with an instant classic, the 2-swing thing. Locate yourself a swing set, preferably with swings close enough to each other where you can reach through, around, grab them. Use them as a helping hand and guide yourself through the motion of a front flip, getting you used to the rotation. Once you're feeling light enough there, you can send it on the ground. Pow, front flip. Or you could use one of these other hacks. Moving on. This next hack is going to have you saying, "Why didn't I think of that?" and post it to Instagram. The one swing wonder. Using one swing, you want to place your pelvis right on the swing. What you're going to do is you're going to allow the swing to swing, and when you reach the back, you're going to tuck through and around into a front flip. Once you get used to this, you can get some more momentum so you can land straight up on your feet. Now, very important, remember to leave the swing completely. Pow, front flip. There's just something about landing in the sand that takes the fear away from attempting front flips. Find yourself a sandbox, preferably with no children. Practicing your front flip attempts, the sand breaks apart, allowing you to fall with a softer landing, preventing injuries that otherwise might occur on the cement or on the grass. Bang, front flip. Whoa, while we're talking about these semi-natural nature landing pads, let's talk about the chip dip. Something about a wood chip pile when it comes to practicing front flip attempts that's just soothing. Finding yourself a nice wood chip pile can help you attempt more front flip attempts without the pain of the solid ground. Bing, front flip. Alright, enough with the soft landing pad hacks. No, just one more, okay? This one is the classiciest of classics. The leaf pile hack. You want to build yourself up a nice leaf pile just like you would in the 2nd grade. Using the leaf pile, you can practice your front flip attempts, softening your landing. This makes the front flip a lot less scary and a lot more fun. Preferably, you want your leaf pile bigger than this. Boom, front flip. Alright, back to some technique hacks, because that's what's most important, right? The 2-chair tosser. Just like for the backflip, you want to find 2 chairs. Arms to the sides, you use them as a guide, you flip on over. It's pretty self-explanatory, actually. Look at that, it's a front flip. Time for a little bit of homemade classics. The mattress up, utilizing your bed mattress. You want to do a front roll onto it, then a little bit more of a jump, until you're basically landing on your bed on your butt. Then you know you have about enough height to do a front flip. Well, before we take this outside, we can do the mattress down, standing on your mattress with a roll, right until your feet go off the edge and you walk away. This gets you used to landing your front flip. Better yet, why don't we turn the inside of your house into a homemade gymnastics center? Put your mattress on your ground, stack some couch cushions. You're gonna make yourself a barrier to do a front flip over. Roll over it, then jump over it, then jump over it a little more. Then just remove the whole entire thing. Front flip. What? Did you just get kicked out of your house for practicing front flips on your mom's mattress? Not to worry, the summer sausage. Utilizing a garbage can to act as your sausage, you want to do a somersault over the sausage. Hence summer sausage. Slowly increase your speed until you're feeling lighter and lighter on the sausage, until you can just send it without it. Boom. Front flip. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to get festive. Wow. I kid you not, the pumpkin pushover. You want to utilize 2 pumpkins, holding them at the shoulders, getting a running start, put each pumpkin down, pushing yourself over into a front flip. This one's a little choppy. The pumpkin pushover. Now with that being said, the pumpkin pushover 2.0, also called the pumpkin head canal, is a much better updated version of the pumpkin pushover. Utilizing 2 pumpkins at about shoulder width, you want to get a running start, putting your hands on the pumpkins and doing somewhat of a front handspring over them. Allows you to land easier than doing a front handspring on the ground, and also feels more like a front flip. All you have to do, take your hands out of the equation, front flip. I hope you guys are enjoying these hacks. Give it a thumbs up, comment below your favorite one. Wait a minute, there's still plenty more. The 2-stick tip. Utilizing 2 broomsticks, get those pumpkins out of here. Or 2 sticks of your choice. With a reverse grip, you want to use them as a pole vaulting guide, rolling yourself over and doing a front flip. This one's actually a little difficult in my opinion, but like I said before, there is always a better 2.0 version. The 1-stick stickler, I insist. Just using 1 stick, holding it to your side, with a running start, you can make your dreams come true. The key is letting go of the stick midway. Don't hold on to it, just let it go. Front flip. Moving on with one of my personal favorites, the band bouncer. Hooking 2 resistance bands between 2 poles. I'm lucky enough to have these bleachers close enough to each other. You want to grab onto both of them with some tension between the 2. You can see it's almost like a trampoline without a trampoline. Holding onto them, you can practice a front flip safely and with extra bounce, getting you used to the rotation. You can even do a little bouncing start. You'll be doing front flips in no time. Alright, while we're using resistance bands, I might as well show you the classic turnover. You want to string your resistance bands up between 2 poles with enough tension to support your weight, so you can lean into it, like so. Then simply just turn over it. Key point, use your hands, otherwise it'll just sling you out. This will get you used to doing the flip of the front flip. Yodele, the 1-arm wonder. This is an instant classic. Take a resistance band, throw it over a pole, preferably higher than you. This swing set pull does great. Then you just want to flip through it. Allow your arm to rotate with the resistance band so you don't twist anything. As so. This gets you used to doing the front flip on the ground, but with the support of the 1-arm wonder. Alright, moving on with the cartwheel hack. You're going to simply be turning a cartwheel into a front flip by first doing a cartwheel, but then putting the overhand inward and rotating around it as so. Getting a little more speed, increasing your momentum slowly into a 1-armed front handspring. Then, when you're ready, front flip. Alright, this next one is so special. I made an entire video just on this method. The double hand method. You want to have one hand above the head, the other hand at the side. One hand is going to be used to help push you over into a 1-armed front handspring, and the other hand will help soften your landing. Increase speed and momentum until front flip. Holy moly, that was close. Don't do that with your knees, alright? Jeez. Number 20, the Behemoth booty. As silly as this sounds, it's just as effective. Landing hard on your butt can be one of the biggest fears when it comes to practicing front flip attempts on the ground. That's why we're going to stuff the butt region of our pants with cotton. You can use pillows, foam, whatever. I used cotton. This makes practicing the front flip a lot more soft. With this increased ability to practice the front flip, you'll be front flipping in no time. Wham. Front flip. Would you look at that background? It's so beautiful. Alright. Yo, the classic hill hack. Find yourself a nice hill. Do a nice little roll down the hill. Increase the jump. You gotta be careful though, you don't want to overshoot it, over-rotate. Having such a hill makes it easier to do a front flip because it gives you a little more time in the air. Pow, front flip. And now moving on to a classic as of summer 2019. Turning a 360 into a front flip, yes. Work on your front flip setup with the block, arms over the head, but instead you can go into a 360. Then you're going to turn your 360 into an upside down turn, utilizing the double hand method. And then take the hands away. Alright guys, let's be real, it's about time for a bonus. The front head spring hack. Let's be real, there's just something about doing a front head spring that's satisfying. I put my hood on to protect my head. What you're gonna do is get up on all three, hands and head, kip up into a front head spring. For some reason this just helps with landing a front flip because the legs can be spread to the side. You can get in that front flip landing position. When you're ready, don't touch the head or the hands, just send a front flip. Guys, it's time for some classic trampoline hacks. Now I could just be like, yo, just throw a front flip on the trampoline, it feels similar to it on the ground, but no, I'm not gonna cheat you like that. The trampoline edge hack, okay? Do a basic front flip on the trampoline with a bounce, but then get closer and closer to the edge of the trampoline, decreasing the bounce until you are on the edge of the trampoline. Careful your balance. If you can land on your butt with your feet touching a little bit first on the trampoline, you're about ready to do a front flip on the ground, in my opinion. Well, don't forget the trampoline dead bounce. You don't want to do all that balancing on the edge of the trampoline. Throw a pad or a blanket or something on the trampoline to deaden the bounce of the trampoline. Jump off of the pad onto the trampoline trying to land the front flip. This will help you jump on your own, taking away the trampoline bounce so you're not cheating, and help you with your rotation and front flip skill for the ground. And finally, my friends, sometimes you just need to send it. With a running start, nice tight tuck, find yourself that nice soft patch of grass. Jump, spin, land, front flip. Thank you guys so much for all your support in watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these 25 front flip hacks. Remember to practice safely, do so at your own risk. Stay tuned, I have more videos coming out. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace, you all have a good one. I'll see you all in the next video.